In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change font in Odoo. If you want your website to look more polished or match your brand style, adjusting the typography is one of the easiest improvements you can make. In this tutorial, you will update the font settings inside the website builder using the theme options so the changes apply across your site where those styles are used. To begin, go to the website area. This is where Odoo manages everything related to your public pages, layouts, and the tools you use to customize your site. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page, because the font settings you want are controlled from the website configuration and the theme editor. Once you are on the website section, you are ready to open the builder. Next, click Edit to open the website builder. When you click Edit, Odoo switches you into an editing mode where you can modify the design components and appearance of your website. Look for the button labeled Edit, usually positioned in a way that makes it clear you can start customizing. After you click it, allow a few seconds for the builder interface to load. This matters because the sidebar options for theme and typography will appear once the editor is ready. Now with the website builder open, you will select the Theme tab in the sidebar. The sidebar is typically where all major visual settings are organized, and the Theme tab is specifically for design-level choices that affect styling. Click Theme to focus your settings on the overall look of your website rather than individual page elements. This is the key step, because font choices are often stored at the theme level, which helps keep your site consistent. After you open the Theme tab, click Typography or Fonts. Depending on your Odoo version and theme structure, the label may appear as Typography or it may appear as Fonts. In either case, your goal is to reach the section that controls text styling. Once you click it, you should see options related to font styles for different parts of your website, such as headings and body text. Take a second to scan the options so you know what you can change before selecting anything. Now you can select your preferred font styles. Choose the font option that matches the style you want to achieve. When you make your selection, think about how it will look across the site. For example, headings usually need to be readable and stand out, while body text should remain easy to read at smaller sizes. If your options include multiple font categories, you can pick different styles for each one based on the overall design you are aiming for. Once you have chosen the font styles you want, click Save. This step is important because changes in the builder do not fully apply until you store them. After clicking Save, wait for the system to confirm the update. At that point, your website theme typography should reflect the new font choices wherever those typography settings are used. And that covers the full process. You started by going to the website, opened the website builder using Edit, selected the Theme tab, went into Typography or Fonts, picked your preferred font styles, and saved the changes so your site updates properly. And that is all there is to it.